Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apollo.io as a CRM so you can centralize your prospecting, manage your sales pipeline, and automate your outreach in 2026. Let's get into it. First, in the top right corner of the Apollo dashboard, click on the Import drop-down menu and select CSV. This import tool is highly intelligent. It doesn't just store your data, it automatically enriches it. If your CSV only has a company name, Apollo can often fill in the industry, size, and even the latest funding rounds, giving you a complete CRM profile instantly. Next, master the sidebar tabs. In 2026, Apollo's sidebar is your command center. Each tab serves a specific purpose in your sales journey. People. This is your primary database. Beyond just a list of names, the People tab allows you to apply over 200 filters, including buying intent and technographics, to find decision makers who are actively looking for your solution. You can save these searches to auto-populate your CRM whenever a new lead matches your criteria. Sequences. This is where you turn leads into conversations. Here, you can build agentic cadences, automated multi-channel workflows that combine AI-ridden emails, LinkedIn profile views, and automated connection requests. In 2026, these sequences are dynamic, meaning they can automatically change their messaging based on how a prospect interacts with your first email. Deals. This is your true CRM pipeline view. The Deals tab provides a visual Kanban board where you can track every active sales opportunity. You can assign dollar values, set expected close dates, and use the AI deal summary to get a 30-second briefing on any account's history before you jump on a call. By mastering these three tabs, you move from cold searching to automated engaging and finally revenue tracking, all within a single interface, eliminating the need to pay for multiple separate tools. Lastly, to make Apollo a fully functional CRM, it needs to talk to your other business tools. Navigate to the admin settings, the gear icon at the very bottom left of the sidebar. Click on Integrations to link your Gmail, Outlook, or even enterprise CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot for bidirectional syncing. And that's pretty much it. To use Apollo as your CRM in 2026, use the Import dropdown to bring in your CSV lists, manage your outreach and sales flow through the People, Sequences, and Deals tabs on the left, and finalize your setup by connecting your tools in the Integration section under Admin Settings. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.